The wall art that I chose are the gold wings, 32 by 48. Make sure to follow all your instructions. And also all the wall art is custom made. The wall art only takes 3 to 5 days. My wall art came in a gold frame, and my husband is putting the hooks on to hang the wall art. My wall art is absolutely gorgeous. One of my favorite words. I just love the beautiful gold wings with the detailed touches there. VinchyArt did a fabulous job on my gold wings. Look at the touch of gold there and the beautiful background with the white. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. I love it. One of my favorite words. And I will be styling these wings around a vignette. Keep watching. I will be adding in my French country lamps and a fall floral design.
Every sound attends